Today episode of let me grab two items from the store. Let's see if I'm going to pass the test of grabbing just two items. So today shopping store will be Lidl. I've grabbed this magnetic basket that keeps making you pick things you did not even budget for. Right from the entrance, the first rack you will see is the fruits and vegetables. I'm like, oh no, I'm not here for that. We must focus on the focus. Oh more, see, this banana is so tempting, and luckily for me, I need banana. So I'm like, let me grab it. I thought I'm in love with Sensi banana, but on getting to Lidl, I fell over and over again. So I decided to grab peeled tomato. My guys, this tomato is doing wonder to all my stew. If you are not been using this stew and you're in the UK, you don't know what you are missing. I'm like, let's stock up on pepper, jare, our jollof rice and the stew gang. So this is my go-to tomato as well. So what I normally do is mix this tomato with the tin tomato and the stew is doing, because those African stores pepper is from the other world. It's so pepperish. I grabbed vanilla yogurt. Yeah, I need a treat this weekend. There's no butter again. When you are shopping butter in the UK, you got to be careful because there is light and thick fat. So I went for the light one. Time to get milk for all the peri peri paparazzi. I like this small one because since I've been buying the big size, I don't finish it before it expires. So since then I said to myself, kekere ti to mi o jare. So I went for this white fillet fish because I'll be doing a lot of chicken peri peri this weekend. Mommy's veggie is here. I have the broccoli, the cauliflower, the pea, and the carrot. And your mixed vegetable. With this, you cannot go wrong. You don't need to start slicing when you are cooking your jollof or fried rice. So now is time to get some other item. I moved forward. We came to grab two items, but the basket is filled up to the midway. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen now at the decanter. This is the time to do justice to my money. I keep bringing it out, and in my head I'm like, Mogbe Modaro Igba only two items has filled the basket like this. Now let's see how much I get to pay. Like play, shall we? I shall have reached the counter like this, and my money is gone. Bag it was so heavy. I'm like, I need to rearrange this basket, Jerry. So finally, something, £35 something. Okay, not bad. So now, as you all know, whenever I fuck up like this, after promising myself to pick item and I ended up feeling my bad, I used to drag my feet. I took to drag it. So this is me dragging. You can see from the video, but the movement is no longer smooth because owó ti ó ti ṣe kíni ó ti lọ. But man, ọmọ tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ dédé ó yẹ kó lásìkò ìgbádùn. Anyways, goodbye. Wọ́n ní ká ó dàbọ̀, wọ́n ti gbowó wa tán. Let's go pick popcorn in Aldi because pé mo ti download Circle TV now. Let's do justice to Ada Omo Daddy Malaika and the like. So adetira popcorn now. Let's see how much I got to spend. Before you know it, Shagugbe rounding up to some £12 like this now. And before you know it, everything like I've spent £50 on it. But let me go and pick something, two items in the shop. Okay, I will see you in your see you in my next video. Bye.